Now let us see the differences between dissolution of partnership firm and dissolution of partnership. What is the difference between dissolution of partnership firm and dissolution of partnership? Are these two same? No, both are different. So what are the different in these two? Let us see few differences. Meaning, it means closure of the firm and end of the business. Remember, relationship among all the partners. And dissolution of partnership means, it means change in the business relationship. The firm continues its business. By any reason, children, when partners change their ratio, that is known as dissolution of partnership. But when partners stop their business, then it is known as dissolution firm. I hope this first point is clear to everyone, children. Then court intervention. It can be either voluntarily by partners or compulsorily by order of court according to condition. But dissolution of partnership is always voluntary. Whenever partners decide, okay, then dissolution of partnership takes place. Business continuation. What happened in dissolution of firm? Business will continue or not. Business of the firms comes to an end. But here, in dissolution of partnership, only partnership changes. Their relationship changes, children. But the firm continues. The business of the firm continues. Then see closure of books of accounts. Books of accounts of the firms are closed. Definitely, when business is stopped, accounts will also be stopped, closed. Books of accounts of the firm need not to be closed because businesses continue. Only the relationship between among the partners are changed. Then assets and liabilities. What happened in case of dissolution of firm? Assets of the firms are sold out, realized, cash received, and all the external liabilities are to be settled and paid. And if any balance amount which is remaining, if any, it is distributed among all the partners. This is what happened with assets and liabilities. But what happened in case of dissolution of partnership? Assets of the firms are revalued. We prepare revaluation account, children. Reassessed, isn't it? And the gain or loss due to the revaluation is transferred to the profit and loss appropriation account in their profit sharing ratio and then partners capital account. So this is what the treatment of assets and liabilities in case of dissolution of firm and dissolution of partnership. Let's see about the economic relation. Just 1 minute. Economic relationship. Economic relationship between among the partners ends, completely end. After dissolution of the firm, there is no relationship, there is no economic relationship among the partners. But what happened in dissolution of partnership? Economic relationship between the partners changes. Their ratio changes after it. Okay. And then effect. What is the effect of dissolution of partnership firm? Dissolution of firm also means dissolution of partnership, children. This is very important point which was asked in the examination CBSE. Dissolution of firm also means dissolution of partnership. But dissolution of partnership does not mean dissolution of firm, isn't it? It means whenever dissolution of firm takes place, dissolution of partnership also takes place together. But when dissolution of partnership is there, it may or it may not involve the dissolution of the firm. It is not guaranteed. It is not compulsory. I hope these points are clear. This is very basic thing about dissolution which everybody must know.